Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create dotted border shape in Photoshop. So get started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see create a dotted border shape in Photoshop. Now you can see now going to the toolbar option. Now select from shape, custom shape. Now click from mouse right button. Now choose from shape. Now draw a shape. Now you can see they are going to the move tool option. Now move the shape. Now change the color. Now click from double click. Now select from color. Now click OK. Now you can see. Now add the dotted border in shape. Now going to the path line option. Now select. Now click from dot. That it's. I can see then is going to the setting option, and now click for more option, and inside, outside, and created. That is. Now click OK. That is. Now you can see create dotted border shape in Photoshop document is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video.